All right, so I'm going to talk a bit about this particular lettering style. It's commonly referred to as Gothic, but also block. It's one of the oldest sign painting or lettering styles. If you look deep into really old texts about, sign painting, you'll see this as one of the, most common beginner letter forms, and many people use this as a daily part of the work they produce. It's a workhorse of letter form. It's strong, it's readable, it's visible at really long distances, and it's fairly quick to produce once you practice and really understand the stroke orders of all these. And it's commonly used. You'll see it as display typefaces, and you might see it for a stop sign, for instance. But this is the building block of all typefaces that come after. It doesn't have serifs, the little feet on it, but you will see it as just kind of like the base of all letter forms.